What does row do? What does row do? Example from Django.utils.functional.
Follow along. As long as we have single inheritance, _row_ is just the tuple of the class, its base is base, and so on up to object. Only works for new style classes, of course. Now, with multiple inheritance, you also get the assurance that, in _row_, no class is duplicated, and no class comes after its ancestors, save that classes that first enter at the same level of multiple inheritance, like B and C in this example, are in the _row_ left to right. Every attribute you get on a class's instance, not just methods, is conceptually looked up along the _row_. So, if more than one class among the ancestors defines that name, this tells you where the attribute will be found, in the first class in the _row_ that defines that name.
Row stands for method resolution order. It returns a list of types the class is derived from, in the order they are searched for methods. Row and _row_ work only on new style classes. In Python 3, they work without any issues. In Python 2, however, those classes need to inherit from object.
This would perhaps show the order of resolution. The output would be: the rule is depth first, which in this case would mean D, B, A, C. Python normally uses a depth-first order when searching inheriting classes, but when two classes inherit from the same class, Python removes the first mention of that class from the row.
Order of resolution will be different in diamond inheritance.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.